Hello, myself Pranav Bhandare. I am printing and packaging engineer. I have done my masters from Rochester Institute of Technology, USA. I have more than 10 years of experience in printing and packaging industry, mainly in premedia as well. In premedia, I worked around more than 7, 8 years. And now working in Gsource as a principal account manager and looking after premedia department.
What's a common misconception about premedia that you'd love to clear up?
I think people think premedia is just like a file correction, but it's not. Actually, it's a backbone of printing and packaging industry. Even it helps for brand consistency. So I think it majorly helps for the compliance. It is like it does the color management. Again, it set the file for different types of printing processes. So it's just not a file correction. There are multiple things which comes under, and I think that's the importance of premedia industry.
If you could fix one bottleneck magically in the premedia process forever, what would that be?
Uh, I would say last minute design and content changes. It disrupt everything like timelines. It can cause errors and like again it hampers the main deliveries and all. Again, it's not viable to start the whole process again because some minor changes you want to add or like minor change you want to make. So I won't recommend to last minute design or content changes. It should be finalized everything at start and then we need to complete the whole process. Nothing should disrupt in between.
Is there a tool, plugin, or hack that you think that every premedia professional should know about?
I think Illustrator is one of the main software, I would say. And again, ISCO Desk is there where you can check the die line and trapping as well. And apart from that, Global Vision is another important software or portal, I would say, where you can do the quality checks, like all spelling mistakes and all get checked. And there should be cloud-based proofing system so that all stakeholders will have the access and they can check the files and then approve or reject the files on cloud-based. So I think these three tools or softwares, I would say, people should be aware about.
What advice would you give someone who's just starting out in premedia?
I would say just try to understand the fundamentals of printing and packaging industry. Again, every minor detail is important because it's going to print and it's going to come in an actual sample. So if you make a small spelling error, that's going to get printed and that's not a good sign for any brand. So you should be detail oriented. And again, communication. If you're working in a premedia agency or company, you should communicate very well with the client with regards to everything, timeline or like how's the project going or whatever you need from client. So communication is the key. And my personal suggestion is you should always be solution oriented. Like whatever, even if you mess it up, you should give the solution first and then you can do later on like what went wrong, how it wrong, who did wrong, whatever. But you should be solution oriented first so that timeline doesn't get hampered and everything keeps aligned.